I was asked recently to do a follow-up video on the Mini I purchased from Copart. The one that was supposed to be light panel damage, but when it arrived it actually had a knackered engine. When Ahmed and Hassan delivered the car, they said the car did not turn over. I got on the key straight away and I could see it had no compression. That left me with no alternative but to strip the car down and find out what the problem was. After getting off the phone to Copart and giving them a gobful for not listing it had engine damage, I got straight onto the car, stripped it down, and I could see straight away it had 6 bent valves. So you're probably wondering, what did I do about it? Well, I removed the old valves, I cleaned up the head, and I ordered a load of new parts from eBay. Parts included new valves, new timing chain kit, new gasket set, oil, plugs and filter. As soon as I got the parts, I got straight on with the car. I skimmed the head and I put it back together with all the new parts, the valves, the timing chain kit and the gaskets. And I had to order a timing chain toolkit to do the job as well. So the engine was rebuilt. Next job was to put the front end of the car back together. So with all that carry on over, it's now time to tidy up the car. I painted the wheels, I painted the calipers, I give it a right good valet. Probably did a load more other stuff, but now I can't remember. It would have had a lot more money spent on it in mechanical bits and bobs, and no replace of Vanis sensors, and it had 12 months MOT, possibly a couple of tyres. Then there's the advertising. Did I make on this car? Well, I would have made something. In the time I spent on it, if I'd had the same time in McDonald's or Tesco's, I'd have made a lot more money. Some you win, some you lose. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. That was the Mini.